Did you know that the man who turned mass murder into a science once described killing over 1 million people, the same way you might discuss a factory assembly line? Rudolf Höss started as a regular German soldier in World War I, but by 1940, he became commandant of Auschwitz concentration camp. What happened next would shock the world. Höss didn't just run a death camp, he perfected it. He tested different poison gases like a chemist working on a formula. He calculated how many bodies his crematoriums could burn per day. He treated genocide like solving a math problem. The most chilling part? His family lived right at the camp. His children played in their garden while thousands of people were being murdered just beyond the fence. His wife grew flowers while smoke from the crematoriums filled the sky. After the war, when captured, Höss calmly confessed everything. At the Nuremberg trials, he spoke about his methods without emotion, like reading a grocery list. In 1947, he was hanged at Auschwitz, the same place where he had orchestrated unimaginable horror.